Hi, my name is CJ Compler with Knick Interface, and today I'm excited to talk about the P16800 speed signal duplicator, Knick's advanced solution for multiplying and isolating speed signals in rolling stock applications, even those already dedicated to safety applications. This device helps simplify integration and minimize costs by providing reliable, duplicated speed signals from a single sensor. Let's take a deeper look at the device capabilities. The P16800 captures and accurately replicates speed signals from a single or dual channel speed sensor. It does this by decoupling the speed signal, preventing undesired noise from reaching the controller, and duplicates the signal for use across multiple control systems. With a SIL-4 rating at the input and a SIL-2 rating at the output, the P16800 ensures functional safety at the highest level, bringing peace of mind to users on reliability and protection. Built-in galvanic isolation helps accomplish this SIL rating, protecting upstream and downstream components by preventing unwanted signal transfer in the device. This is essential for the potentially noisy train environment that this device is made for. The P16800 upholds many rail standards, making it more than suited for rail applications. These standards include EN 61373 with vibration and shock resistance, and EN 50125 to handle environmental conditions such as rain, temperature, and humidity. The P16800 has the flexibility to reduce frequency at ratios of 2:1, 4:1, or 8:1 in case speed signal frequencies are too high for the controllers. Optional direction of travel detection can also be achieved with this device, using a 2-channel speed sensor and comparing the pulses to obtain the travel direction. This device can also convert current to voltage or voltage to current, so it's compatible with almost any system. Now let's look at some applications for the P16800. The P16800 provides cost-effective ways to perform additional applications which require speed signal info without adding extra sensors. Retrofitting older trains with limited space for new sensors is a great application for the device. It allows access to accurate speed data with minimal changes to current systems. However, it can also be ideal for new rail systems as it reduces system complexity and avoids costly wiring of additional speed sensors. This is especially helpful if access to the train bogie where speed sensors are found is limited. Another application for the P16800 is that it can seamlessly integrate speed signals for use in critical systems like passenger information systems, computer-based train control, or positive train control. It can also help protect the integrity of critical applications like braking systems while making access to the speed information possible for use in other applications. The P16800 speed signal doubler is a versatile, cost-effective solution for rail systems. It provides safe, isolated signal duplication that can optimize system integration, reduce complexity, and cut costs on railcar projects. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions on how the P16800 can enhance your rail systems, please reach out to Knick Interface to learn more.